starting over at 60 and how I found more time and more financial freedom with this little $10 funnel. I'm very excited about this. Hi, I'm Carol Rivet. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to keep this short and sweet, okay? This gives me time freedom. It allows me to spend time with my family. It works doing the selling and telling for me so that I don't have to be bugging family and friends. I don't have to be chasing people. And this is what you do. This is what you need if you have never had success online before or your success has been small. You need a system that works for you so you can scale. Okay, this is a budget-friendly funnel. Not only is the business only $10 a month, but all the traffic resources inside this funnel that are, of course, optional, but they are budget-friendly and they convert. Okay, so you can see there. And here is the sales page. It is literally as easy as 1, 2, 3. These two videos do the selling and telling for you, okay? If you want to make a change in your life, you have to change things. You can't keep doing the same thing and expect different results, okay? This is simple as 1, 2, 3, okay? Sign up here. This is the $10 business. This is the funnel. The program that gets you the funnel. And then traffic, okay? Just testimonials that this is working. And then my contact info. And then once you join, you want to look for this. This is the resource page. This has the training on it for how to set up. This is all share code friendly. You pop a share code in. The thing that takes the longest with this is just doing your email series, converting your links to whoever your sponsor's links are, and putting your links in there instead. That is literally the only thing that takes time. If you need help with this, I am here. Okay, we also have a Facebook group for a team. Okay, this works. You do not have to recreate the wheel. Okay? Don't recreate something when something is already proving to work. Okay, here is the proof right here. Look at all of these. When you get one person to join you, that doesn't mean you're only going to earn from that, one thing from just GDI or just Leadsly. There is 15 to 16 income streams in this. Okay, this is you will never get ahead if you don't start. This takes time. This is not get rich quick. You need to be focused. You need to be persistent with your advertising. Advertise every single day. Okay? And you need to be patient. Roll one bill in a day, honey. It takes time. I know myself being 60, sometimes it's like, I don't have time for this. Oh my goodness, I'm already 60. My family's already grown. I already missed so much time. It takes time to build this. If you want to get time freedom, which is the most important, because the most important is not the money. It's what the money gives you. It's the time freedom to spend it with your family so that you have time to make new memories, new travel plans. Okay, so go to the link below this or get back to the person that shared this with you and begin your journey to time freedom today.